Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to grow a bead faster naturally in just 1 week. The first ingredient you'll be needing is onion. You just have to cut the onion into pieces. The best onion to use is red onion. So you have to get red onion, cut it into pieces, just slice it. After you have sliced the onion, then you have to put it inside a saucepan. A saucepan is where you will put it because we are going to fry it with some other ingredients. And the next remedy we are going to be using is aloe vera. Aloe vera is very great for men, not only for beard growth but for overall health. So what you're gonna need here is the aloe vera, both the back of the aloe vera and the gel of the aloe vera. So what you have to do is cut the aloe vera into pieces the way you slice the onion. So after you have cut it into pieces, then you have to put it inside a saucepan where you put the onion. Just put it inside the saucepan together with the onion. So after you have put these two ingredients together, then you have to get your coconut oil. Get a coconut oil, pour a large amount of coconut oil inside this saucepan. Pour large amount to it, the one that can be able to fry the ingredients and extract the nutrients. So you have to add little if it's not enough, so you have to add little again, little coconut oil. After you have added it, then you have to put it on the flame. You have to put it on the flame, let it fry for some minutes. You'll be checking it and always stir it to avoid burning. Always stir it while it's frying. So after it has boiled, you will notice the color changes and the water will increase because of the gel of the aloe vera that has been extracted. You will notice it. So you have to pour it down and let it cool. Like now, it has cooled. See the color, see how it looks like. So once you are done, then you have to strain it to get the nutrient of it. Like you see here, like the way you notice that the water has increased. Like I said before, it's because of the gel of the aloe vera, and you are gonna store those things. Maybe you can keep it for how many days you want. It won't spoil because you just fry it. So after you have extracted, you have strained it and extracted the nutrients. See the nutrients here. Then you have to add another ingredient to this mixture. The ingredient we'll be adding here is castor oil. I don't know if you have heard about castor oil, so I'm going to show you. See castor oil here, it looks like this. Castor oil helps for beard growth. It contains enough nutrient that will help to grow your beard faster naturally in just 1 week. So you just have to add only 1 teaspoon of this castor oil. Why I said it's only 1 teaspoon is because this castor oil is very thick. It can clog pores. So while making use of it, you have to make use of just little of it. Just 1 teaspoon is okay. After you have added this castor oil, then mix it together. Castor oil will grow your beard. Coconut oil works perfectly. It will also moisturize the area, and aloe vera is perfect for men and for beard growth. So mix this ingredient together, store it at home, put it in the fridge, use this daily for your beard. Always massage it around your beard. After massaging, you leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your fellow men. They are gonna benefit it. It works effectively for beard growth. Thanks.